guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you guys want me to make anything that you feel interested in making, you can tell me that down in the comment section below. And before we get started, you want to preheat your oven to 350 degrees. These are chocolate chip cookies, which are my favorite type of cookies. I hope you guys love this recipe too, because I worked on it for about a year just myself. And the first thing you're going to add inside your bowl is your butter. This is melted butter, and it is half a cup of butter. I melted it in the microwave, or you can just boil it, or, you know, there's lots of different ways. I suggest microwaving it. It's a lot easier. And along with your butter, you're going to be adding brown sugar. Over here, I use dark brown sugar, but you can also use light brown sugar. Should be fine. Then you're going to be adding in your white granulated sugar. This is just for some taste and to harden up the cookie a little bit. And then you're going to gently mix that all in together. You are going to switch over to your electric mixer, and you're going to be on low speed for about 5 minutes. When you're done, you can switch over to your spatula to scrape up all the sides and make sure your bowl is clean. So next we're going to be adding in our egg. This egg helps the cookie form into a more solid shape. And for flavor, we're going to be using vanilla extract. It's just 1 teaspoon. Mix that all in together very smoothly first with your spatula, and you will then move on to your electric mixer to mix it in. So just about right now, you're going to be using your electric mixer to mix in your thing. You can see that the egg is not fully combined yet, but that is what the electric mixer will help with. So you're going to need a new bowl now to mix in your dry ingredients. Your first dry ingredient will be your flour. Then it will be your baking powder. And then some baking soda. You're going to stir it in. You could use a whisker or just a regular spatula. Either way is going to be totally fine. So here are the wet ingredients that we mixed in before with the electric mixer and spatula. We're going to be slowly adding in our dry ingredients. Over here I used 1/3 of a cup to slowly add it in, but you can use any size measurements you would like to. So this is the end after mixing in all of the flour. And it is now to add in all the chocolate chips, which is my favorite part of all. So this is after mixing in all the chocolate chips. And you're going to need a pan. Over here I put aluminum foil and spray that with some butter spray or just your stick butter or even just oil. Roll a piece of your cookie dough into a ball. Over here I use 2 tablespoons of cookie dough. You are going to do this through the rest of your batter. For better results, make sure you store it in an airtight container. Thank you.